Ready to dominate the Pocket Option Day Off tournament and grab those sweet rewards? Let's break down the winning formula. First, risk management is key. Don't blow your entire tournament balance on a single trade. Aim for consistent, calculated risks, risking no more than 510% of your balance per trade. Next, select your assets wisely. Focus on markets you understand and that exhibit clear trends during the tournament timeframe. Don't jump into unfamiliar territory just because it looks volatile. Stick to what you know. Now, competitive analysis is crucial. Keep a close eye on the tournament leaderboard. See what assets the top traders are focusing on and try to understand their strategies. Adapt, but don't blindly copy. Time management is your secret weapon. The Day Off tournament is short and intense. Plan your trading sessions, set alerts for potential entry points, and avoid getting distracted. Every minute counts. Remember, consistency, discipline, and smart strategy will boost your chances of victory. Now go out there, trade wisely, and claim your spot at the top of the leaderboard. Good luck.